my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I am going to do 4 looks with the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, which came out a while ago. I've been looking at it almost every day. I wasn't going to buy it, but I really like the color story. You know, I have so many neutral palettes, my cool browns, warm browns and mauves, but I really thought that I could get some lovely looks from this one. Today is the first time that I've used this palette, so I haven't practiced any looks. I didn't know how this would perform. I swatched them on my hand, and on my hand they all swatched beautifully, but as we know, swatches on your hand mean nothing. You can have really good hand swatches, but when it comes to applying it on your eyes, they don't always perform as well, and vice versa. So I know that with Too Faced, their palettes are very hit and miss. Some are amazing quality, some are not so good. So let's get into the 4 tutorials. Okay, I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to go to Oh My Gold and apply it right in the inner corner. This eyeshadow definitely works better with your finger, but it's a bit difficult to get into with the finger. Then on the other side of that wet brush, I'm going to go Wanna Piece of Me. And overlap it with the first one. You have to sort of press and drag to. Now with another wet brush, I'm going to PSL and Chill. And I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye. Now Spice of Life. And we're going to shade our outer 7. Going into above the crease. Now with a clean brush, buff out the edges. Again with the Spice of Life, going on my lower lash line. I will buff it out with a la mode. And in the inner corner, I'm going to go to Oh My Gold. Again, wet the brush. And now the mascara. And this is look 1. Now on this eye, I think I'm going to go for something a bit more crazy with the first row. So let's do this one. I'm going to take full forehead first. I'm going to go right up to the crease with it. And I'm going to buff it out upwards. And then I'm going to make it a bit more opaque on my mobile lid. Now I'm going to go to Pumpkin Spice and apply it right up to the crease, just in the middle. And then I'm going to go to ginger spice, overlap it a bit, and then I'm going to go to your spicy and apply it right on the outer 7. Again, with a clean brush, start blending out the edges, and then I will build it all up again. So start again with Fall For It, then pumpkin spice, ginger spice, you spicy. Now you spicy on the bottom lash line, then ginger spice in the middle, and Fall For It closer to my inner corner and blend it out. Again, blend, blend, blend. Now in my inner corner I'm going to go to whipped cream. I'm missing here something shimmery that would go with it. Now to darken the outer corner, I will go to Warm and Cozy and just darken slightly just the outer 7, and again blend it out. And now mascara. So here are the two different looks. I do really like this one. Pumpkin on your eye. Okay, I'm going to take them both off and do another two. Okay, my eyes are ready for the next two. I think I'm going to go for the green now. I'm going to go to Sweetie Pie. Shall I stop showing you? I just write the names on the screen. And I'm going to apply that in and above my crease. This color is blending really nicely. And I'm going to shade my outer corner as well. Now on a wet brush I'm going to go to Fall Vibes. So I am still showing it to you. If I forgot to show it to you, I will definitely put all the names in order on the screen. Okay, I'm going to apply this right in my inner corner. Now the shimmer eyeshadows are very hard to apply with the brush. It's a bit better with the brush wet, but they are best applied with your finger, and I probably will have to do that because look at the difference. The only problem is when you're doing that you get quite a bit of fallout. Okay, now I'm going to go to Falling For You, which is this dark shimmery forest green, and I will apply that on the other half of my mobile lid. This one is a bit better to apply with the brush. It's more of a shimmer rather than foil. And then I'm going to go into cocoa drizzle and apply it right on the outer 7. This is very nice, cool autumnal look. I'm going back to Sweetie Pie and blend the edges with it. Okay, and now I'm going back to Cocoa Drizzle, lower lash line. And in the middle, I am going to apply the Wanna Piece of, Falling For You. Now I think I'm going to go over the shimmering ones again to intensify them. And now mascara. And this is the forest green look. Now on this eye I'm going again to use this row with this one, I think, but instead of doing the real purple I will go for the mauvey ones. Okay, so in my crease and above I will go with a la mode. As usual, blend it upwards. Intensify it in your crease and on the outer portion of your eye. Then I'm going to go to Love You Latte and put that just in my crease and sort of halfway on the outer portion of my mobile lid. Then with my finger I will go to Oh My God. You have to be so careful. If you're doing it with your finger, press it quite hard first and then drag, otherwise you get a load of fallout. So I'm going to do it in a corner, and then I will take Crisp on my finger again and sort of apply it here in the middle. This one is such a pretty color. It's sort of pink, but it has like a golden, rose golden shift. Now I will go on my lower lash line with Love You Latte, Love You A Latte. And then on a wet brush to Oh My God, just in the inner corner. And now I will go into Warm and Cozy, which is like a deep maroon, and just apply it right on my outer V and just on the end here on my lower lash line. Blend it all out with a clean brush. and build up whatever you need to build up. I'm still going for the warm and cozy. And mascara. And here is the fourth look. They all are so pretty. I hope I'm looking at my monitor and I look a bit dark. I hope this is not too dark. What I will have to do now is take one of them off and match it up, because I can't be walking around with two different eyes. Well, I could. And I will come back. Okay, so I went for the green one because probably green one I wear the least, so I went for the green one. Okay, I love the colors in here. I love the color story. It's different, you know, from all my neutral palettes, but I am not too wowed by the quality. When it comes to mattes, few of them are really good. This one is very good. This one is very good. This one is very good. And these mauvey ones are okay. Now, the really bright ones, like the pink, I thought it looks so rich, but really it's a bit grainy, so it's not as soft as the other ones. But can you see it's quite see-through? So if you want real punch, you have to really work at it to build it up. I found the same with this one. So this one was nice, the warm and cozy, but the Coca drizzle needs building up. I've got it here and it really needs building up. It's a bit see-through. Now the shimmers, most of them are sort of foiled eyeshadows, and all these need fingers for it. The brush doesn't work. Dry, wet is a bit better, but fingers are the best. But then you can get a lot of fallout. Now you've got two like ordinary shimmers, this one, and these look quite nice with the brush, but especially with finger. So I always knew this with, unfortunately with Too Faced, is always hit and miss with their palettes. Some are amazing and some are not so good. So as much as I love the colors, I really am not impressed with the quality. Nevertheless, I will use it because I really love the color story in it, and I really liked every look that I did. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this was helpful in making your decision if to buy it or not. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.